Hi, we're going to be doing some math problems using a couple of different strategies. We're going to do it with base 10 blocks, and we're also going to do it on paper. So the first problem that we're going to look at is this one. Add 1,200 plus 2,900. So first I'd like to show you how I do it with base 10 blocks. I've built the first number, 1,200, right? I have a 1,000, a 1 in the thousands place, and 2 in the hundreds, and no tens and no ones. So now I want to build my second number, which was 2,900. So I'm going to put 2,000s in the thousands place, 900s in the hundreds place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll put my ninth one there. No tens and no ones. And I want to add these together. Well, I know I still have 0 ones and I still have 0 tens, but let's look at my hundreds. I had 2 and then I added 9 more for a total of 11 hundreds. Well, as you know, we can't put 11 in the hundreds place, so we have to regroup. We have to take 10 of our hundreds and put them together to form 1,000. So here's how we do it. 10 hundreds go together to form 1,000. Now that 1,000 should really be in the thousands place. And we just have 100 remaining in the hundreds place. And now we have 4,000s, including the one that we regrouped. So here's our answer, 4,100. Let's go ahead and now write that one out vertically. It's going to look like this, 1,000 plus 2,000, 1,200 plus 2,900. So when I go to add that, I'm going to start in the ones place. 0 plus 0 is 0. Then I'm going to the tens place. 0 plus 0 is 0. Hundreds place, 200s plus 900s is 1100s. But remember, just like with the base 10 blocks, I can't put an 11 in the hundreds place. I have to regroup. 10 of my hundreds are going to make 1,000. So my one remaining hundred goes in the hundreds place. My 10 hundreds that go together make 1,000 go in the thousands place. Now when you're doing these problems yourself on Kami, always show that you regrouped by putting this little number up top. So that shows me that you regrouped, that you understood it, and it helps you too so you don't forget to add that number in. Because now we need to add the thousands. The 1,000 we regrouped plus 1 plus 2 is 4. So I wound up with 4,000s, 4,100. Let's do another problem that has even more regrouping. 1,153 plus 4,959. First, we're going to show it with base 10 blocks, and I actually already put all the blocks out. So here's the first problem, 1,153, so the first number is along the top here. Second number is down here, 4,950, because it's 5 tens, 9. Okay, so now we need to put all that together. How many ones do I have? 3 ones plus 9 ones is 12 ones. I can't put a 12 in the ones place, so I have to take 10 of my 10 of my ones and regroup them to become a 10. So let's see what that looks like. There they go. So I have 2 ones left. I don't know if you can see them because of my picture here. So 2 ones left in the ones place. Now in the tens place, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Too many again. I can't put 11 in the tens place, so I have to regroup again. 10 of my tens will go to the hundreds place, leaving me with just 1 10. Now in the hundreds, I might have to regroup again. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 hundreds. Too many again. I have to regroup over to the thousands place, leaving me with just 100. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 thousands. So that was my answer, 6,112. Lots of regrouping in that one. Let's do that one vertically. So going back to my paper here, I wrote it vertically, 1,153 plus 4,959. So I'm going to start in my ones place. 3 plus 9 is 12. Can't put 12 in the ones place, so I'll just put my 2 ones. My other 10 ones become a 10. So they go into the tens place. So always writing that number above. So now I have the 110 I regroup plus 5 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 11 tens. I have to regroup again. My 1 goes here, and my 10 other tens become 100. Now let's add up the hundreds place. The one I regrouped plus 1 makes 2. 2 plus 9 more makes 11. I have to regroup again. 100 goes there, and my other 10 hundreds go into the thousands place as an extra 1,000. Now I'm adding up the thousands. 1 plus 1 plus 4 is 6. So there is my answer. So I think you're ready now to go and do the assignment. So you'll see the Kami assignment posted. Please open it with Kami, show your work by showing how you regrouped, and use the Kami tools to complete the assignment, and then turn it in when you are done. And let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.